How to create a percentage chart in PowerPoint. So to start, we'll just have to open a sample PowerPoint, and then in here, the first thing that we need to do is to tap on the slide where we want to insert or create a chart. After that, we'll have to go on top, and then in here, tap on this insert option. After that, select the chart option, and then in here, you will be given different types of chart. But as an example, I'm gonna select the pie chart. And then after that, you can also choose different style here of a pie chart. As an example, I'm gonna select this one. And as you can see here, that pie chart is automatically added here. On top of it, you will see an Excel file where I can edit the data of my pie chart. So as an example, I'm gonna change my first quarter to 10%, second quarter to 40%, and then the third quarter for 50%. And then in here, if we select the pie chart, we can also edit the color of our pie chart. So to edit the color of our pie chart, what we need to do is to select the part that we want to change the color. After that, tap on the fill option. And then in here, you can now select the color. So from yellow, I'm going to change the color of this one to green. So to change the colors of your pie chart, all you need to do is to repeat that process. So that's how easy we can create a percentage chart in PowerPoint. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.